In this video, I will show you how you can do the Block Blast glitch to be able to get a high score on Block Blast. So to get started, go ahead and open Block Blast on your device and head over into the classic game section of Block Blast. So go ahead and select classic, and in here go ahead and replay. Keep on repeating replay until you have a set of blocks that will have this vertical block with it. So as you can see in here, since I already have a high score on Block Blast, it's quite hard to find that for my classic mode. So just go ahead and repeat that steps until you get that vertical you can use for the game. If you already have a high score on Block Blast, you probably need to do a few replay to be able to get a set of blocks to use for your classic game. So as you can see in here, just use that one. I still haven't gotten any vertical block, so I'll just go ahead and hit on the replay button until I get that vertical block. So now that I have the vertical block, I'll just go ahead and drag it into where it fits. Just make sure that where you place the vertical block will not pop later on. If it does, it's still okay. Having the vertical block is actually not a glitch. It happens if you actually have this vertical spaces for your Block Blast. So as you can see in here, once I drag that in here, there will be no vertical blocks that I can find on the blocks that I have. This is because the vertical blocks glitch is actually due to the fact that there are actually vertical spaces on your Block Blast classic mode. So to be able to get that vertical blocks, you need to keep having this vertical pieces on your Block Blast. And that's basically how you can get the Block Blast glitch. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.